Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, today is my birthday. I want to say happy birthday to you. And I'm not a singer, I'm a chef. But anyway, I want to say, guys, I want to take the time out to say, if you guys always donate, the PayPal link is in the description box. You know what I mean? Thank you so much for your support. But I want to say, guess all I am today. Leave it in the description box, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video bits and pieces, and leaving your comments. As I said, today's my birthday, and guess all I am today. Just having a great time, giving God thanks for keeping me alive up to this very minute and second, all over these years. It's just a blessing. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe. And today is my birthday, so stay tuned with me again with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Bye bye.